Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Block Analyst. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe because here we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies, finance, and the technology shaping tomorrow's economy. Before we begin, please note, this video is purely for educational purposes. Nothing you hear today should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with professionals before investing. In the world of crypto, we hear about new projects promising pre-sales and game-changing partnerships almost every day. But it's rare to see a collaboration that truly redefines the rules. That's exactly what we have here, a powerhouse exchange like Kraken joining forces with a specialized launchpad like Legion. This isn't just another partnership, it's the beginning of a new era in how investors can access early-stage projects. With more transparency, stronger security, and simpler participation, this alliance is setting a new gold standard for fundraising. In today's video, we'll break down why Kraken is considered one of the strongest exchanges in the world, then walk you step by step through Legion, how to register, the wallets you get, and even how to link your personal wallet. We'll also go over exactly how pre-sales on the platform work with a real example, and finally explain why this Kraken Legion partnership could be a turning point for investors looking for golden opportunities. Stick with me until the end, and remember, you'll find all the official links in the description below, so you don't fall victim to fake sites or phishing scams. Double check before you connect your wallet. Let's start with Kraken. Founded back in 2011, Kraken is one of the oldest, most trusted, and heavily regulated crypto exchanges in the world. Unlike many platforms that collapsed during bear markets or scandals, Kraken has built its reputation on security, transparency, and compliance. So, why is Kraken considered so strong? Security first. Kraken has never been hacked in over a decade of operations, a track record that very few exchanges can claim. Global reach. It's available in over 190 countries, serving millions of users worldwide. Regulation and compliance. Kraken works closely with regulators and follows strict KYC/AML rules, which gives institutions confidence to trade there. Liquidity and reliability. Kraken is a Tier 1 exchange with deep liquidity, meaning you can trade even large amounts of crypto without crazy price swings. Transparency. Unlike some competitors, Kraken conducts regular proof of reserves audits so you know your funds are really there. All of these factors combined make Kraken not just another exchange, but a Tier 1 centralized exchange trusted by retail and institutional investors alike. Now let's move to Legion, a platform designed to democratize early access to crypto projects. Legion is a launchpad, but with a unique twist. Instead of only rewarding big wallets, Legion uses a merit-based system to decide who can access pre-sales. This means that your level of participation and contribution within the ecosystem, your Legion score, matters more than just how much capital you bring. So how do you get started? Step-by-step registration. Create your account on legion.cc, link in the description. Complete the KYC process. This means submitting your identification documents just like you would with any regulated platform. This step ensures compliance and fairness. Once approved, Legion will automatically generate 2 wallets for you: an Ethereum wallet for ERC20 token sales, and a Solana wallet for Solana-based opportunities. If you prefer, you can also connect your own external wallet, giving you flexibility to manage your assets. This setup makes Legion extremely user-friendly because from day one, you're ready to interact with projects across 2 major ecosystems. Token sales on Legion usually happen in 2 phases. Phase 1, merit-based presale. Up to 40% of the total tokens are reserved for users with a strong Legion score. You apply by depositing USDC in advance on Ethereum mainnet. The project team reviews applications and may give you full allocation, partial allocation, or none. Any unused funds are refunded immediately. Phase 2, first come, first serve, FCFS. Once the presale closes, the remaining allocation becomes open to everyone. Here, speed is everything, because once it's sold out, that's it.
There is usually a maximum cap, for example, $10,000 per person. Example, yield-based sale. A good example is the recent yield-based sale, which followed exactly this structure. September 29th opened the merit-based phase. October 1st opened the FCFS sale. The tokens then became tradable almost immediately on Kraken. Now, let's put the pieces together. When you combine Legion with Kraken, you get something extremely powerful. Legion ensures fairer access to pre-sales by rewarding community engagement. Kraken provides instant liquidity on a global Tier 1 exchange. This means you're not left wondering if a token will ever list on a major exchange. Instead, you know from day one that it will trade on Kraken, giving investors confidence and projects credibility. It's like having the best of both worlds, a community-driven, merit-based launchpad backed by a secure, regulated, globally recognized exchange. That's what makes this alliance so unique. It sets a new standard for how fundraising in crypto should work: transparent, accessible, and liquid from the start. Kraken is one of the safest and strongest exchanges globally. Legion is a launchpad that rewards engagement, not just money. Registering on Legion gives you 2 wallets automatically, plus the option to connect your own wallet. Pre-sales happen in 2 phases, merit-based, then FCFS. The Kraken-Legion partnership guarantees immediate trading opportunities after token launches. And one last warning, make sure to always use official links only. I've placed the verified links to both Kraken and Legion in the description below. Don't fall victim to fake sites or phishing scams. Double-check before you connect your wallet. So, if you're serious about participating in early-stage projects, the Legion-Kraken Alliance might be one of the most important opportunities to watch this year. It combines fair access, global reach, and institutional-grade security, 3 things that the crypto fundraising world has often lacked. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your network. And let me know in the comments, would you try a pre-sale on Legion knowing it's backed by Kraken? Until next time, this is the Block Analyst, helping you make sense of the crypto markets.